Everyone's talking about street legal golf carts, but what does it really mean? I'm Juan, General Manager of Capt Golf Carts 2, and I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about street legal golf carts. As a golf cart dealer, I meet many customers that ask me if a certain cart they're interested in is street legal. More and more golf cart owners are asking if they can legally drive their cart in the streets. The answer gets complicated because most are unaware that there are golf carts, converted golf carts, and low-speed vehicles. I'm going to talk about golf carts in this first video. The distinction between the three is a legal one, meaning Florida law defines the difference, and that legal difference says golf carts cannot be legally driven on the streets. I repeat, Florida law is golf carts cannot be legally driven in the streets. They must first be converted. I know. Converted? What do you mean my golf cart must be converted? Well, let's start this explanation in the Villages, Florida, a city-sized community designed for golf carts where virtually no one drives a street legal golf cart. Why don't golf carts in the Villages have to be street legal, you ask? The answer is because their golf carts are not driven in the streets or on public roads. Villages drive their carts on private paths and the right-of-ways of local private businesses that are designed for golf carts, cars, and trucks to share. Public roads are not a part of their transportation scheme, so there's no need for their golf carts to be street legal. Now, other neighborhoods around Florida are called golf cart friendly because the city or county allows their golf carts to be legally driven within the streets of certain neighborhoods or areas, while prohibiting the cart from maybe crossing over into other neighborhoods or areas. We see examples of that when we come across those signs that say no golf carts beyond this point. That means golf carts can be legally driven on the streets before that point. So in some places, local government makes an exception and allows golf carts to be legally driven on their public roads and streets, even though golf carts are not street legal. The only requirement may be you have to put one of those funky orange low-speed vehicle triangles on the back of it. So those are the exceptions that allow golf carts to be driven legally on public streets and roads. Keyword being exceptions, because the rule is golf carts cannot be legally driven on public streets and roads. Your golf cart must be converted to be legally driven on the street. And if it's converted, it still can't be driven in zones that exceed 35 miles per hour. I know, you're on the edge of your seat waiting to hear what it means to convert or to drive a converted golf cart. I'll explain that in the next video, I promise. But if you like this video and want to see more like it, do us a favor, press the subscribe button and also hit the like button and notifications tab if you're watching this on YouTube. It helps us get the word out and lets others know when the next video is released. Thank you very much for watching.